In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoho Cliq efficiently and ensure you have access to one of the best team communication tools available. At the end of this guide, you'll have all the information you need to download and install Zoho Cliq on your device, whether it be desktop or mobile. First off, let's head over to Zoho Cliq's official website. This is your primary go-to source for acquiring the desktop version of the software. On the website, you'll find various options tailored to your operating system, ensuring that you can get the version that best suits your needs. Click on the download link that matches your operating system, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or any other supported platform. If you're a Windows user, there's an additional way to get Zoho Cliq. Simply head over to the Microsoft Store. Searching for Zoho Cliq in the store should direct you to the app where you can click Install and it will download directly onto your PC. This is particularly convenient if you're already accustomed to downloading apps from the Microsoft Store. Also, if you're dealing with larger deployments or managing installations across multiple devices, consider using the MSI installer. This gives you a straightforward way to deploy Zoho Cliq across a network of PCs with minimal hassle. For those on a Mac, the process is just as seamless. You can download Zoho Cliq directly from the Mac App Store. This is typically the easiest and most reliable route for Mac users because apps from the App Store are vetted and proven to integrate smoothly with Mac systems. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also get the app through a specific download link provided on Zoho's website. This might be a preferable option for users who have direct download preferences. For a more on-the-go approach, you might be interested in downloading Zoho Cliq onto your mobile devices. Both iOS and Android platforms are supported. To do this, navigate to the Apple App Store if you're an iPhone or iPad user, or to the Google Play Store for Android devices. There you can download the app directly to your device, which allows you to stay connected with your team and participate in communications no matter where you are. Taking the time to download Zoho Cliq through these trusted and secure avenues guarantees you'll have a legitimate, virus-free copy of the application. Be sure to check your device meets any specific system requirements that may be outlined on Zoho's website to ensure smooth operation. After installation, you're ready to log in and start leveraging the power of Zoho Cliq for all your communication needs. With this guide, we hope you're well on your way to improving your team's collaboration and productivity with Zoho Cliq.